Good morning. It's morning ride today after a long time. It's breakfast ride, and I have company as well this time.
And meet Royson, who's joining me today for my ride. And thanks to Royson for making this happen. He's from Mangalore, and he's a salsa dancer as well. He's the instructor. Good morning. So Royson, tell us, where are we going today?
We're going to Kudremukh Hills now.
Okay,
All set. Time full.
perfect. I have some fuel, so that's okay. Let's do it.
That's where my shoes are. Okay, no problem.
So let's start our ride. Wow! Look at that sunrise, guys. Look at sunrise. It looks so amazing. I'm near the coastal area, that is Mangalore, and here you can just enjoy the sunrise. And today we're doing a morning ride, going for a breakfast. It's Saturday morning. We're going towards Kudremukh, and we'll have a breakfast at Renuka. And that sunrise is amazing. So Royson is also an avid rider from Mangalore. He rides for one of the groups, Royal Enfield groups in Mangalore, and is a very disciplined rider. And currently he's leading the ride. The reason is I don't know where we need to pick his friend, so we will go towards I think Bantual or Mudibidri. I think Mudibidri. And then his friend will join. So till then he will be leading. I'm not sure about the route there. And then yes, we'll take it forward from there. It's around 6:30, 6:40 now. We started our ride at 6:30 and should be around 5-10 minutes since we started our ride. A nice pleasant day. It did rain last night, but then looks like a pleasant morning. And look at the mist across and the mountain ranges, and look at Royson. The entire scene looks so beautiful. This is the time to probably just test this a little bit. So this definitely demands for a photo here, so we're just taking a couple of photos. And look at that beautiful sunrise. Can't get better. What's your Royson?
Amazing, man. Amazing. Number one ride.
Yep. So there's a small trivia which Royson would like to give. Royson?
As you can see, this is a very old bridge.
Okay, that one.
Built at the time of British, I feel. It's been a long time.
Okay.
This is the recent bridge, I think, almost a month ago, I guess. A month or two.
Oh, nice. Nice.
A month old. And it was a very rough patch. As you can see, we had a rough patch earlier there.
Yeah, we had a bad road, and now this seems to be a good road, and our journey continues now. Yep. Again, we are going to Renuka for breakfast, and from there towards Kudremukh, and then come back. It's just a small Saturday morning ride. Maybe come back by 11:30, 12. So we have Royson's friend there who's joined us. Royson, what's his name? Ivan. So we have Ivan who's joined us on his classic 350. Compared to the last route which we did, which was via Panambur, Surathkal and all of it, this seems to be not so good a route if you were to plan to ride or drive towards Renuka for breakfast, that is in Bajgoli. I would suggest you take that route, because this was full of potholes. Well, I'm not too sure how's that road now. While returning, we might take that road. One of the biggest problem in this particular route is you have a lot of blind spots, so you have to anticipate and ride. You just can't throttle and keep going, so you'll have to be cautious because every turn is a blind turn. And we are almost there. It's about another 5-10 kilometers if I'm not wrong, and to our right is Renuka restaurant.
And finally we've reached Renuka at Bajikoli, and this is the place to stop for breakfast, guys. You have to come and check out all the spreads in the morning for breakfast what these guys have to offer. It is the best breakfast on the way towards Kudremukh, and let's enter and check out this place and eat some good nice hearty breakfast before we can head towards Kudremukh.
So done with breakfast at Renuka and now on our way to Kudremukh. So Kudremukh is about 38 kilometers from the place where we had our breakfast. Wow! Look at that natural beauty. This is amazing. There's Royston and Ivan. And Royston enjoying his ride. Look at that entire nature. So beautiful. And then Ivan is here. A lot of boys having fun, just taking some snaps. So this is Kudremukh Road. So you have to cover from point 1, so the first checkpost to the next checkpost within 1 hour. So which you can do, it's not that you can't, but if you stop and take photographs and all of it, that kind of time might be limited. And it's time to get back to Mangalore. We are near Gurupur now. So Ivan left on the way towards this place, and myself and Royston are getting back to Mangalore now. So that's all we had to show you guys for this Kudremukh ride. So next time when you plan a Kudremukh ride, you could do a breakfast ride, stop at Renuka Hotel, have breakfast, go towards Kudremukh, finish that and come back. Well, that's all, and I'll see you guys. Bye bye. That's all I have for this video. See you.